back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'm back with a quick tip. When you're cooking breakfast and you're going to be buttering your toast, I want to give you a product review on something that I found originally advertised on TV, and I bought it at my local drugstore. It's called a ceramic egg, and it looks like this. It has this little rubber gasket that goes on it. It has a hole in the lid so that it'll vent, and I believe this is an old ancient Asian type product that came out of Asia. Now you want to put some butter in the bottom of this. If you're going to have some butter handy, get some butter in it. If not, use some spray at least and go ahead and spray this. And then what I do is I just take my eggs, and I like to use a can like this to hold my eggs. And I just go ahead and crack the egg, dump them in, and then I throw it in the microwave. So I'm just going to crack my egg on here. You always want to use something flat for your egg. And of course, I'm trying to be careful because I'm filming this. Normally it goes smoother when you're not filming things. I have to tell you, this thing works really, really well. I'll just throw a little bit of salt and pepper in here, and then I'll throw it in the microwave. And it's amazing how steamed it is, how soft they're going to be in just a matter of seconds. One very important thing about this is when you take it out of the microwave, it's going to be extremely hot. Also, when holding it, make sure you have your hands under a little bit because it's also slippery. But they come out looking just like that and drip a little bit. Another thing I do sometimes is I put extra butter in here so that it melts it, but it doesn't burn because it's with the egg, and then you can pour that over your toast. So that's my tip for the day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.